Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You must act now. Confirm the SIM is in the phone and you know the current SIM PIN, or have the carrier PUK ready. Once done, unlock the device and go to Settings, then find Security or SIM Card Manager. Tap SIM PIN settings immediately and do not guess the code repeatedly. If prompted, enter the current 8-digit PIN. This step is required to change lock behavior. It validates you as the SIM owner, so proceed carefully and read prompts. Once you enter the correct PIN, tap the option labeled Lock SIM Card or Require SIM PIN and toggle it off. You will be asked to confirm by re-entering the current PIN. Do that to disable the lock. Make sure to save changes and exit settings. If you do not know the PIN, stop and obtain the PUK from your carrier. Otherwise, you risk SIM permanent block after repeated wrong attempts. Disabling here removes the PIN check at boot and for card swaps. If the SIM is already blocked, contact your carrier and get the PUK code. You will use it to reset the SIM PIN. Enter the PUK exactly as given, then choose a new PIN when prompted. Once the PIN is reset, return to Settings and disable the SIM PIN as described earlier. If something goes wrong, the key troubleshooting tip is: do not guess the PUK. Calling your carrier and verifying account identity is faster and prevents
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.